Broadcast. Local stations broadcast the news every hour. We are broadcasting live from the stadium now. The channel has broadcast the match twice already. They have been broadcasting the festival all weekend. The radio broadcast the speech last night. We were broadcasting the concert when the signal dropped. The network had broadcast the warning before the storm hit. The pirate station had been broadcasting for months before the raid. The BBC will broadcast the final on Sunday. We will be broadcasting the debate throughout the evening. By tonight, the studio will have broadcast the whole series. By next year, the station will have been broadcasting for a decade.